Hi teacher, my name is Derson Peñalba y esta vez voy a hacer el trabajo final de inglés, que es que es como contando la experiencia del texto que hicimos. Y pues comienza así es. Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing my experience in Arequipa, a beautiful, peaceful, and very special city. When I arrived, first thing I noticed was the incredible light reflecting of its white buildings. This city has a perfect blend of history, culture, and delicious food. In the heart of the city, there are many places to visit. I strolled through the Plaza de Armas, where there are many colonial arch and a huge cathedral. Nearby is the Santa Catalina Monastery, a spacious, colorful, and tranquil place. Its internal streets are red, blue, and orange, and are nestled within ancient walls, an excellent opportunity for taking amazing photos. If you visit, go inside, take your time, and soak up the atmosphere. Just outside the city center are some beautiful viewpoints. At the Yanawara viewpoint, there's a fantastic view of the misty volcano. The volcano is large, majestic, and always seems to be watching you. At the Carmen Alto viewpoint overlooking the countryside, I saw green terraces and small rivers. Here you mm, can relax, take a deep breath, and take some great photos. After visiting the Museum of Andean Sanctuaries, where a very famous Inca mummy is housed, you'll find a fascinating story that will leave you pondering. In the local markets, you can buy some very interesting things: handicrafts, alpaca clothing, traditional sweets, and many small souvenirs. Many items are countable, like magnets, keychains, or hats, but there are also many other things such as textiles, wool, or ground chocolate. Mm, Arequipa has so much delicious food. I tried dishes like rocoto relleno, stuffed rocoto peppers, adobo, a type of steak, and chupe de camarones, shrimp chowder. I also enjoy some fresh ices at the San Camilo market. If you come, don't leave without trying the famous quesolado, frozen cheese. It is sweet, cold, and perfect for sunny weather. Arequipa is a unique city. It has history, culture, and plenty of activities for everyone. So, if you're thinking about traveling soon, come explore, try new things while around, and enjoy every corner. Ensure you love it as much as I do. See you on the next trip. Bye, travelers. Thank you, Miss.